Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1970 Chevy Chevelle convertible. This lovely little Chevelle we have here at Skyway Classics features a wonderful red exterior with the SS black stripes on the hood and the rear deck, featuring a power black convertible top, the 14-inch SS mag wheels. Going into the interior, as you can see, we have our stock tach, speedometer, and clock gauges, featuring an aftermarket temp and oil pressure gauge down there. Other than that, you have the black bucket seats with the horseshoe shifter, old-fashioned wheel, and more importantly, underneath the hood, you got that 454. Top of the line motor for Chevy, definitely one of the most powerful. In fact, you can hear it out the back right now. Definitely ready. As for the brakes, we can show you right now. Nice and ready. And of course, the Chevelle, the 70 was the most popular year for everybody. And if you got a big block, you were twice as lucky. But of course, nowadays, everybody doesn't enjoy the same sound as back in the day. But yet again, who cares? You're driving something nice while they're driving a Tesla or some other slow minivan. Chevelle was definitely the top of the line, definitely has the most style to this day. But as for now, we're gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.